guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a Glam wedding centerpiece, or you can use this as a spring centerpiece. It's really pretty versatile, but what you'll need is one of these glass, I guess it's a vase or a candle holder from Dollar Tree. I have this round shape here, but you can really use whatever shape you like. And you're going to need two of these, the glass candle holder plates from Dollar Tree. You're going to need two of the candlestick holders from Dollar Tree. You're going to need one styrofoam ball. You can pick these up at Dollar Tree on a pack of 3. I've got some loose gemstones here, and they are from Walmart. I've got some diamond wrap. This is from Michael's, but you can find this on a roll just like this at Dollar Tree. I've got some of the peel and stick gemstones from Walmart. You can find them on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. And I have just an array of flowers here. I've got some picks and then some white roses, and then I have got this blush pink color flowers, and these are all from Dollar Tree. So, and also I have some hot glue. So if you want to make this permanent, you can use E6000 or another permanent bonded glue. These are items that we'll need in order to get the project completed, so let's get started. Okay guys, now isn't this a beautiful centerpiece for a wedding? So gorgeous and romantic and very easy to do. So let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with it. Well, there you go guys, another simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of DIYs, please be sure to share these videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.